500. There's no phone like a TracFone.
Especially when it's being grilled. Okay, let's check her out, pal.
Okay. This thing's melted.
Oh, that one's not stuck. Look at that, huh?
A little bit melted.
That side did pretty good. Whoa.
Peel the skin right off her.
Well,
look at that.
That part there
is off. Now let's melt that on the side. Give it a little flavor.
Yep. Oh, it's hot in here.
It's melting again.
Bring that son of a gun over here. This side. Okay.
Having a little trouble there, Dad?
I guess so.
Huh. Oh, the phone's off. Wonder why.
Yeah.
There. Oh, look at that new LG lithium battery. Showing right through the plastic.
Yeah.
Let's do another turbo oil surprise.
Last cycle. Then we're going to send it to its resting place. Hey, you want to see the pig barbecue?
Come on, Diggy. Oh, see ya.
She don't like cell phones. She hates
TracFones. She's so dumb.
TracFone ringtones. They suck. They're primitive.
I'd rather have Eye of the Tiger. Something like that.
Yeah.
Can't even hold any music on the dumb things. Well, going up to 500.
Okay.
Ta-da! Oh, baby!
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, baby, that melted like a son of a gun. Ooh.
Yeah.
Burn!
That's the end of that one.
Yep. Okay. Soak the stupid thing.
Cool it down, pal.
That pan is hot. You just hear that?
Yeah.
You know what? Oh, is that a little fire?
Ah. Isn't that something the light's on? See the light?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wouldn't that be funny if it worked?
This stupid thing don't work now.
Doesn't work now. Gee, I wonder why.
Dumb thing.
Oh, the hell. Yeah, let's give it a burial.
Let's go for a ride.
There you are. Let's give it a burial.
All right. Let's go. Man, look at this. It's all burnt and everything. Still a little warm.
Yep.
Light was on for some reason.
Time to put this thing in its resting place.
We even made a hole for it. He shoots. He scores.
Bye-bye.
Stupid.
May you rest in peace. Well, I see you got a new phone there, pal. What do you got?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know?
I gotta go get it.
Let's go get that phone. I bet it's something better than what you had before.
Oh, it's a lot better.
Well, I'll tell you what. You live and learn. Live and learn.
You live and learn, then you learn to charbroil the TracFone.
Yep.
It's right here.
There we go.
This is a better LG.
US Cellular.
Texting keypad.